Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to understand deployment plan. Deployment plan is where you have a specific requirement for your WAR file and you don't want to do the configuration one more time. For example, there are these three stages of deployment: the development, staging, and production. Now you're deploying the same televersion 1 EAR file everywhere, but in the development you don't have any special case, but in the QA you have to deploy it on the QA data source and idle thread is 500. So now as it is a staging environment, you will execute the deployment plan with the EAR file. So what happens is like the configurations like these will take part in the EAR file or the deployment when you do the deployment itself, and you don't really have to do this configuration because these configuration will be taken from the QA plan.xml file. So this can be exported when you do any configuration, so that is option is also available. In terms of production, when you deploy the EAR file, so you load the deployment plan within this file, and this actually gets loaded as part of your deployment so that you don't have to make special changes when you do the deployment. So this is how or why deployment plan is used, and this is what it's going to help us in terms of reducing the administration overhead for changing parameters within a deployment. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.